What's up, guys? Cheapies, aka Noah, back today bringing another video. This time we're doing another Snkrflea mystery box. The last video was a Snkrflea mystery box. That one came super late. It was delayed probably like 3 weeks or whatever. This one came on time. It's going to be a hoodie mystery box. I think it's just one hoodie. This is what I got last time, the Paranoid hoodie from Any Social Club. Last time there was a hoodie mystery box. This time, I think the top prize was some Air Mags. I have it on the screen right now, what exactly you can get and everything. There's a chance there's more golden tickets the more mystery box purchased. But hopefully I get the Air Mags. I have yet to win one. If you have watched every single other one, this is number 5, I think. So hopefully these come out. These also do come out today, which I think is Thursday if I get this up on time. They come out at like 4 Eastern. My videos normally go up at 10. So if you guys want to check out their mystery boxes, they should be up today at 4. You'll probably see a bunch of other YouTubers videos that get mystery boxes from them because they work with them, but I don't. I just buy their mystery boxes, and hopefully this is the first golden ticket that I get, but you never know with their mystery boxes. So let's just get right into opening it, and hopefully it has more than just a hoodie. All right, so I don't think this knife's actually gonna do anything other than there's like a little bit of tape on here, just because the way these boxes are, they're like pre-taped. I think they just probably did that for safety, but I'm still gonna cut it anyways because I do have this knife that I now have, so now I got to use it since I haven't had any like actual sneakers to unbox recently. So like I said, could just be one hoodie, could be the golden ticket for once, but we'll see if I can get this open. All right, so before I get to the hoodie, there could be a Revenge, a Bape, or an Antisocial Social Club hoodie. I think the Antisocial Social Club hoodies are the most common. That's what I'm wearing now, and it looks like I didn't get a golden ticket again, so whatever. 0 for 4 so far. This has an undefeated logo on it, but I assume it's ASSC because that's just the packaging. That looks like it's been since I've gotten a ton now. I still have a ton that I need to sell, but it's got pink camo undefeated logo on it, so hopefully it's a cool one because I like undefeated stuff. And this one that I'm wearing is also undefeated, so it could be a pretty cool one. It's already black. Let's see. Yeah, I was right. It's an ASSC, just undefeated hoodie. Actually pretty cool. It just has an undefeated logo on it with the pink camo, and then says Antisocial Social Club on the back, also in the pink camo. So not a bad hoodie. I don't know what it's going for. Price will be on the screen now, but I think it's pretty cool. It's better than all the Playboy stuff that I normally get from them. So another round 5. Let me just make sure. Round 5, 0 for 5. Maybe next time we'll get it. The boxes do come out today. Like I said, probably picking up one that decreased the price to 109, I think, or 110, whatever. I feel like it's 109.99 or something like that. So the box got cheaper, so potentially even make more money on these. I'm not sure how much money this thing goes for, but everything so far you can basically make your money back, or you can sell it for a little bit more. I think there's a few things I've gotten in the past I would sell for a little bit more, but we're gonna be going for number 6 when that comes around. So hopefully next month I finally get a golden ticket, but we're gonna keep trying until hopefully I do, unless I just don't think it's worth it anymore. But I do, and I think it's pretty good just to have something to open every once in a while. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you guys got if you did get one of these mystery boxes, or if you're planning on ordering one coming up on Thursday, which is today when this video comes up. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.